Good morning, everybody. It is the last trading day of the month, and this tends to favor higher equity prices. These money managers' compensation is based on performance, and bonuses come from it. So the tendency is not to sell. Now, that's true for equities. That's not true in treasuries. Treasuries can sell on the last day. Nobody pays as much attention to them as they do equities. The bond markets never, in fact, the only numbers you see reported regularly on the bond markets are 15-year and 30-year mortgage rates. You don't see what the underlying instruments are. So it is the end of the month. My guess is we're going to look at a trading range. We do have news to get through first. ADP and the any administration that's in power, part of their message or theme is don't upset the apple cart, don't change things, things are good. 175 is the forecast. I can remember in August of 2012, going into the elections, all of a sudden ADP's numbers and the unemployment numbers started to get better than you would think they should be, given what was going on. Chicago PMI 55.2. Pending home sales up 0.6. And crude inventories, I haven't seen where they were. Last night they had a big build in products and the APIs that took them down, but we'll pick up on that in a bit. So looking at a trading range, I'm hoping that we can retest the buck. So 31 to 03, sell 1. That's where we were last night. We didn't get there. We had a lower high. 3207, 3211, sell 2. Obviously, we've got to get through 3130 to have a shot at our 31s. We're looking with, we do a Z split. We're just basically looking at Bs in the overnight market in the 10-year. On the buy side, there is support at 20 to 24. We will put our first buy 20 to 24. Then 17 to 13 looks more attractive to me, but we may not get there. The news focus, ADP followed by Chicago PMI. I don't know how you all feel, but these really slow trading days, the way that it's been in August makes me, it feels like the end of the month to me. Okay, taking a look at the ZB. Okay, we're trading the December contract. The September, so we're in D's, and so there's quite a bit of spread between the prices from yesterday. So the convergence generally takes a week to get back to the other contracts prices where the when the roll was. So basically 8 to 12 is where resistance is. So number 1's 8 to 12. 15 to 19, sell 1. 27 to 31, sell 2. Support is at 28 to the buck. So 21, 25, which would be new lows. Buy 1. And 9 to 13 would be buy 2. Again, I'm guessing trading range. With a down bias. Why a down bias? The market has been selling. The obvious. Gold was pretty quiet overnight. Again, last full week of summer vacation. heading into the Labor Day weekend, so not looking for much here. Maybe another $4 or $5 range. We did find buyers. We were hoping to buy down against 10. We didn't quite get there. Definitely a P, so this 12 to 14 areas, buy one. 7 to 10 will be buy two. On the sell side, 19 to 21. 24, 26. Looking at the euro. Still trying to sell, ever be it so slowly. So we'll put 11.25. Buy one. 111 even. Buy two. On the sell side, we had 60 to 70 last night, so that worked out pretty well. Then 90 to 112 even for sell two. Crude oil. I'll put the API numbers up here. Big build in products, I believe, is what hit the market last night. And we've been thinking that the market was headed for 45. Looks more so today. So support is 50 to 75. We're there. Then 45, 45 and a quarter for buy two. Stops, that'd be a play for stops below 45. On the sell side, 25 to 50. 75 to 47 even for sell two. And again, it is summer trading. This is this could be a very, very slow day. Doesn't look like anybody's in a rush to even up or balance out their books, right? And the E-mini, we're very close to new contract highs. I don't think we get them today. I think the high at 91. 92 will hold. So we've got resistance 80 to 85. We got pretty good support at 60 to 65, and we're closer to resistance than we are to support. Well, my guess is we've got a P on the London split. We actually have a P before we go to the London split, so the volume's in the top half. So we're going to try to buy in the cheap, 70 to 72. But it may take us 75 to get in when it's all said and done, and then 65, 67. So because it's the end of the month, I favor the long side. No other reason than that. We have the ADP numbers. If they come in really strong, that could hurt us, because the Fed can raise interest rates sooner rather than later. Right now, we've jumped from 18%, the market, an 18% chance of a rise in September, and interest rates to 34%. So that could be the mitigating factor. 79 to 81, sell one. 84, 89, sell two. Okay, you're going to take a bit to get everything up, published, spread around, typed. be with you as soon as I can.